Hey YouTube, today is Wednesday, the 30th day of July 2019. It is 1:11 in the afternoon. Okay, and you can see my whole rig right here. And guess where we're at? I don't know if you can read that sign or not from here with this GoPro, but we are at the Arctic Circle. I will walk you up here, take you right past the FJ, take you right here. I know you can see it now. Arctic Circle, latitude 66.33 degrees north. Or minutes, I guess. 66 degrees latitude, 33 minutes north is what it says. So here you can see bienvenue, welcome. I can't read the rest of that. And so you can see we are right there on the Arctic Circle. Right there says Arctic Circle right there. Kilometer 406. And on that says it right there. There you go. So this is where we are. We finally made it. You see over here is Alaska, Yukon. That's where we're at. And we are going to head right on up the Dempster, Fort McPherson. That's our next gas stop. We'll have a ferry crossing before that. Another ferry crossing up here to Inuvik. So this map here is way out of date, but we're going to go on up here to Tuk. Land of the Midnight Sun is what this one says, and you can pause all of this and read that if you like. There you go. And here's talking about the June solstice. There's the sun, not the scale, which is funny. And December solstice right there. So you can see extremes in light and dark. Get this where I can see it. And then you may pause this if you like and read all of that. Then the sun's energy. There, you can pause that and read that. Pause it and read that. And then white nights. You can pause that and read that whole thing. There's a couple of pictures I got. And then that picture up there. But looking from this side, you see there's the old rig, and look at how muddy she is. And here you go, it's talking about the Northern Lights. So I don't know if you want to read all that or not. But here you go, the Arctic Circle. So this will show you where it's at in various places. So you are standing at the Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle rings the globe at a latitude of 66.33 north. Here the distance around the Earth is 17,662 kilometers, less than half the distance of the equator. Wow. Cool. Then there's your top-down view of it with that. What is the Arctic? So there you go. It's defined in 3 ways. You can read all of that. And people of the Arctic. There, you can read that, pause it, and all that good stuff. All right, so we made it. You see the day is absolutely gorgeous. Sunshine, about 78 degrees, just perfect. Okay, it's in the 40s. It's completely fogged out, rainy, nasty. Oh, and here, before I close this out, let me show you one more thing. Let me show you. Here's my FJ. See how muddy it is. But look at the poor mini here. Look at this. This is all mud. Check this out. All caked. Caked in mud. Let's look at her from the back real quick before I quit. You see that Red Dragon Adventures? It's almost gone. Winnebago is really even almost gone. Oh, and one last thing. We stopped at Eagle Plains, 20-something miles back. That tire right there that you're looking at was flat on a pancake. It wasn't that way this morning when I took off. So, had to have that fixed. That was $42 Canadian. So, there you go. And gas was $1.70 a liter. All right. Let's go. All right. So, just wanted to show you. We're here at the Arctic Circle. And who is also here, and who really is us? Well, let's just pan down and let's see who we are. We are the dragons. Yes. And here we are at the Arctic Circle, all that way, if you can believe it. So we're just hanging out here, even though it's a cold, cloudy day. We'll show you where we parked our rig, that it's right over there, right across from us, and it's a muddy mess. We can see the clouds are starting to break a little bit. The road, that's where we came from. It's not that away. The road where we're going to is right there, past those bathrooms and shooting right on up through there. So that's where we'll be heading. So there are the red dragons at the Arctic Circle. And there we can see the whole thing. Pretty awesome, huh? They've made it all this way. All right, so here, we have made it. Look at this. There's the Mini. Here's the FJ. And where have we made it to? Right there will tell you. Welcome to Northwest Territories. Our first time here. We have never been here. And so here's the sign. Borders old and new. You have reached the center of the world. So you are at the center of the universe. That's what it tells me. Check that out. For many birds, the richest mountains are the center of the world. Birds from all over the world converge here to nest and raise young during the long days of Arctic summer. Wow. Okay, so for birds, we're in the center of the world. How cool. No place like home. Those doll sheep there. And then there's telling you about mammoths and plant puzzles and things like that. All right. So finally, we've made it to the Northwest Territories. Now, supposedly, the road's supposed to get a lot better. Don't know if that's true or not. But I want to take you down here and show you Fort McPherson. That's our next planned stop for gas, 85 kilometers. Inuvik, 270. That'll be our next gas stop after that. And then Toyak, which everybody calls Tuk because it's easier, is 421 kilometers from here. You can see it's actually getting sunny. The sky's looking way more beautiful. Look at the clouds and the line. How cool is this, huh? So very nice. I like it. Right up there is a sign that if when you're going that way, welcomes you to the Yukon, and we'll be coming back this way in a couple of days or so, and be seeing that then. So let's check it out. All right, when we last saw Mr. and Mrs. Dragon, they were sitting at the Arctic Circle. So, where they made it to now? Well, let's go up and see. They have made it to the Northwest Territories. You can see, welcome to. How good is that? Let me back up here. We'll get the whole thing. There they are, and there's a sign. So they have made it all the way here. How cool is that? The dragons are on the move. They've never been here. I've never been here. We've never been here. So life is good. We like it.